Good morning.
It's probably too muggy to
Hey guys, how are you doing? So this is the Old Weir Bridge. And this is the start of our journey. 169 kilometers to Dingle. A bit rainy, a bit windy, but it's meant to be dry for the rest of the day, so let's get after it. So our aim is to get up here. We gotta get through this first, so we're trying to find the best route because that's very thick. The sun's coming out, which is brilliant. So we're thinking this way. Just gotta work it out as we're going. But that's our aim, Tommies Mountain. We'll get there. I can honestly say I am bloody happy to be through all that. Took us a good many hours, Craig?
Huh?
3, 2.5?
2.5.
About 2.5 hours to go 2 kilometers.
Okay, something like that.
That was crazy. So we got through that and finally we're onto open land. That was nuts. Oh, brilliant. That beat us. That was tough. So tough. The wind was so bad. But we're coming off Tommies Mountain now. Making our way over here, so that was tough.
Leave.
Good morning, everyone. So, another beautifully rainy day. Good thing about it though is rain is moving off around 11:30, 12 o'clock, so we're going to hit the road, try and make our way to Castlemaine and then see where we stand then, and we'll go from there. Great night sleep last night. Did you sleep well, Craig?
Fantastic sleep.
Happy days. Yeah. So we're going to suit up, we have our tents up, they're drying. Eat, pack up, leave. See you on the road. Boop. So we're back on the road, on our way to Castlemaine now. So we found the Carryway Trail, so we're going to make our way to that, so we have less road walking today, but we're hoping to cover maybe 35 kilometers today maybe, but we'll see. We're going to keep going until we can't go no more. Still trucking along. Feel good today, really good. I'm looking forward to the rain going now, but it's brilliant. A lot of our plans are editing due to the weather, but no matter what happens, we'll make it to Dingle. Still a long way to go, but yeah, I feel absolutely awesome today. I really do. Especially after the day we had yesterday. I got quite negative yesterday about things because our plan wasn't going to the way we planned it. But no, had a great night's sleep. We rolled with the punches and just learned to take every day as it comes, really. Gonna soldier on and see where we get later. All right. We're getting closer. That's where we need to get to. Over there. So we're on our way up to Milltown, then to Castlemaine, and then over there. And that's the start of all our mountains on the way to Dingle. But we're going good. Going good?
Yeah, going well.
Happy days. Jeez, I'm glad it got hot. I think we're just as wet. We're just as wet from sweat than we are from thing, but at least all our gear is drying off anyway. I'd say we're carrying probably an extra half a kilo of water retention inside in our bags, so at least that can dry off anyway. Feet are doing great actually. I actually stopped a few times, took the laces off, or took the boots off just to check them, and yeah, they're okay. I was feeling a few hot spots, but I dealt with them and I feel good now. So it's if you're ever doing anything like this, just listen to your feet. Don't wait until you get to the campsite to fix your feet. Do them on the trail. On my right foot, I had my middle toe was actually sore, so I have a plaster on that. I was getting a hot spot on my left leg, so I have stuff on that. So yeah, it's maintain on the go really. But this is great. It's my first really expedition, so it's I'm really enjoying it. I really am. Yeah, the weather kicked us up the ass yesterday, but this is just a beautiful day, beautiful trail. The sun is out. What more can you ask for? Okay, we're still going strong. We are, how far?
36.5k.
36.5k. Our ending point is 40.5, but we're going to keep going until we get there. Look at this. It's just heaven. Man, I'll sleep tonight. Would you?
Just after a body.
Alright. Shall we keep going? We'll touch back in. I can't even speak now. We'll touch back in when we have our tents up. It's one of the best views I've ever seen of Carrauntoohil. And this is where we're camping tonight. There's no easy way of stuffing a sleeping bag. Pain in the ass. Morning everyone. Day 3. A bit windy today. It's not raining anyway, which is brilliant. So we're just getting suited and booted. We're just after eating. We have to find a stream and get water. We have to get some electrolytes and stuff into us. So we're gonna hit the trail now and yeah, slept well. Big day ahead of us. We're making our way past Anascall to Black Lake. We're actually camping at Black Lake tonight. So let's get after it. That weather just kicked our ass. That was vicious. Absolutely vicious. We are at CAHERCONREE, our highest point, before we make our way down to the fort and onto the road. Not a bad lunch spot today. Oh, coffee. Coffee. Chow mein noodles and coffee. And I think I have a Snickers floating around there somewhere. Ooh. Well, hello, my chocolate friend. Oh, man. That was the nicest burger I've ever had. So what we're doing is we are nearly at Anascall and we are camping at the South Pole Inn tonight. Our tents are up. We have 2 pints of Guinness and we're gonna put our feet up. We did 39.5 kilometers today. We got kicked around the mountain this morning by the weather, but all good now. So, happy days.